since you've had your son?
Alright, to be honest with you, babe, before my son I was just living wild. Like, you understand, I was more on the white line. I was just living wild, no responsibility, nothing. So some things that I would do.
So guys, I'm here picking up Father's Day gift for Akeen. Gift wrap. So guys, this is what Akeen and I decided to wear out tonight for Father's Day. So we took a couple of pictures before we left the house. Stay tuned.
Okay.
Welcome back again, guys. Akeen and Jen. It's Father's Day. Akeen just got off work and we're on our way out for dinner. I'm going to take him out for dinner for Father's Day. So anytime we got a chance to get dressed up and go out, we're all for it. We work hard, but we play hard too.
Yeah, that's my wife for y'all. She loves stuff like this. So
Yes.
what I can do or say, I just support her in whatever she's doing. So yeah, we're on our way out, guys, and let's see what surprise she got for me. Because you remember I surprised her on Mother's Day, so let's see what the surprise she got for me for Father's Day.
You never know. So while we are on the camera, I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. No, I'm just joking. So today's Father's Day. And so what is the best thing about being a father?
Well, first and foremost, more for all the responsible fathers out there, all the protectors, yeah, all the go-getters, all the fathers that go hard for their family. A happy Father's Day. And you said, what was the question again?
So like, what is the best part of being a father?
The best part of being a father is just seeing your son win. Just the whole go-getter mindset that you, the moment he's on this land or the moment he or she, whichever gender you got going on, just to see they win. Like, you understand? So for me, that's the motivation I get from being a father, to just get up every day and go out there and work for my kid and ensure that he have a life that was better than mine. You understand? So yeah, that's the best thing for me. You understand? And just to see, like, my kid is so young, and just to see him proceed in like school and so forth, that give me that joy, give me that happiness to see that he's really going and pushing like his dad. So yeah, that's the joy I get from being a father. And yeah, that's the most important thing to me, just to ensure that he's doing pretty well in school, he's doing pretty well, like I can play a major role in his life and be there, even though I'm not there physically right now. But yeah, that's what gives me a joy to keep going for my kid.
So how has fatherhood changed your life from before you had Rogero? So he has a son, his name is Rogero. He's 3 years old. And so, like, how has your life changed since you've had your son?
Alright, to be honest with you, babe, before my son I was just living wild. Like, you understand, I was more on the white line. I was just living wild, no responsibility, nothing. So some things that I would do, you understand, I wouldn't think before acting, you understand. But now I am more responsible because I have someone living for, right? So yeah, that's like the main thing for me where fatherhood is concerned. Yeah, I'm more on my game. I would more think before I do anything, you understand what I mean? And whatever I'm doing, it must to enhance my son's life or enhance my life in a better way, you understand? So yeah.
So our goal obviously is to get Rogero here before the next Father's Day, way before the next, hopefully before Christmas, hopefully for the school year in September. We'll see, but we're working on it. And yeah, so that's going to be another journey in our lives. I'm excited. I love children, and me and Rogero bonded, like, so
yeah, guys, I took her to Jamaica last year, sometime last year. I think I'm gonna do a vlog for a trip last year and put on the channel, so you guys can look out for that. But yeah, I took her to Jamaica last year, guys, and I can tell you, my son loves her so much. Like that gave me a joy, gave me happiness to know that my son bonded with her from so young. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to him coming here. And whenever we get the chance, we're going for him and to make things better. So you guys gonna see my son pretty soon on the channel. I'm pretty excited for that. But yeah, another thing, guys, last year when I go down, my son wouldn't even give me a hug or a kiss, but he kissed my wife every day and he hugged my wife every day. So I'm looking forward to see if that bond is still there. Like, my wife is like, if you know her, like everyone, it doesn't have to be kids, but everyone typically bond with her. So I typically think that the bond is gonna still be there, but I'm just looking forward for that reunite with the both of them and so forth. So yeah.
I'm looking for, you know, kids are just such a joy. They just make you smile. They give you a purpose and a reason for living. Not saying we don't have a purpose and a reason, but you know, like just having a child, just, oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Yeah, so I've raised not many children, but a couple, but I'm just really excited and cannot wait to do it again.
Yeah, and guys, she got one of her own.
Yeah, I have a stepdaughter. I have a daughter that I adopted.
One biological,
one that I had out of my belly
on her own.
Yeah.
But really and truly, why you guys don't see her? She doesn't like the camera. You understand? Yeah. So
she's the one that was. She's the one in the one of the shorts that we did, and she was bending down, and everyone's like, "Who's that in the video?"
Yeah, they were going crazy, like. Yeah, so yeah, she doesn't like the camera, and we have to respect that. Yeah, because that's her right? So
yeah, she's beautiful. We love her, but she just does not like the camera. So yeah, and she supports us in what we're doing. So she helps us. She helped me with my hair. She took pictures. You know, she's right there with us on this journey, but we'll not see her on the camera.
No. Well, maybe one day, right? We're still praying about it. I just hope you guys will see her soon. But yeah, that's our life. But
you'll definitely see Rogero when he comes.
Yeah, Roger's gonna be here. Roger's the star boy. That's my boy. And that's our boy. So you guys gonna see him for sure. Yeah.
Exactly. So anyways, guys, we're gonna end now. We're gonna put some music on and enjoy our ride to the restaurant, and then we'll vlog some more a little later on, okay? So guys, this is where we are. It's called the Flying Canoe. And this is actually where me and my husband, my baby, went on our first date.
Yes guys, we'll come revisit the place, you know, see how the food is still hitting home.
It's nice and it's a beautiful day, so and if you like, I'm gonna do this more. Guys, we're so sorry, but because of copyright issues and the music playing in the background, we had to mute some of this video.
Outside, you know, yeah, nice little place. And guess what? They're playing Jamaican reggae music, so
Guys, let me tell you, the music was jamming.
Like a glass of flame, only stems remain. Medication, your medication makes me fine.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, babe. Drop me a kiss on the cheek. Boy don't size up here. One done. And a who? That a who, baby? Oh, a one done and a who?
A one done and a who?
A one done and a who? Who's here done?
Dad? Done? I don't know what you're
She
saying.
get it and she never
One
ever
done?
get it.
I don't know what you're
She don't get
saying.
it and she never
I
ever.
don't get patois. Like, seriously.
She don't get it and she never ever get it.
That's good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, all of this and my one. I'm here to eat the whole lot. Nah, give them none.
So guys, the wings was so good he had to get more. So babe, I got you a little something for Father's Day.
I don't know if my eyes are tricking me or what. Let me look to see if. Wait, like I don't know. So I'm look. You take them cat,
It should.
right?
It's a real.
Look at this. Get a youth, do the right, you understand the right by your wife, you understand, and yeah, the rest is history. Take care of her, be good to her, you know, cherish her, cook for her, because that's what I do. And love her unconditionally, you understand what I say? I when I say love her, I don't mean just love her, but make good love to her. Yeah, who could it be but the Almighty God that even give thanks and praise, you understand? And it's just the thought that matters. I always said it, you understand? So even if I never get anything, it's just the thought that matters.
Did you have a good Father's Day?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, babe.
Yeah, we're open and we're enjoying, so.
Jamaican music's playing. Well, guys, that's the end of our wonderful evening. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. And God bless you. And please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?